Training courses represent a series of lessons organized in training steps. Each step can contain a test and attachments, which are training course materials for learning. To create a training course, navigate to the main menu and click the New Training Course button. Enter the name and optionally a description. Add steps representing the stages a candidate needs to pass to complete the training course. Each step may contain one of the 9 types of attachments that can be imported as a file or inserted as a link. Also, you can import files from the library. At any moment, you may add a test to assess candidates' knowledge on a particular topic. Tests can be added as a part of the training step or at the end of the course. Click on the Add Test and from the drop-down menu, choose Create Ad Hoc. An ad hoc test is a test whose testing session is created automatically but can only be a part of a training course. You can set the following parameters: test name, define the availability period, and select the question pools. You can add as many pools as you require. Test Generator will import questions from those pools and create unlimited test versions of the same test. Therefore, you should determine how many easy, medium, and hard questions each test version will contain in the following pop-up window. Then set the passing mark and duration of the test. Lastly, define the number of points correctly answered questions and penalty points for answering incorrectly. To finish the test creation, click the Save button. A testing session will automatically be created when you create an ad hoc test. For a candidate to start this test in a training course, it is enough to enroll them in the training course. Navigate to Candidates tab and assign candidate. You may choose between all users in the system or from the groups. Only after the candidate goes through all training steps and passes the tests, the candidate will complete the training course. To publish a training course, navigate to the Training Courses tab. Go to Drafts and select your training course. Click on the Publish button.